Service in northern Indiana has issued a special marine warning for New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan, Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake until 1:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:12 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing strong wind to 40 knots and small hail 17 nautical miles northwest of Burns Harbor, moving east at 25 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan around 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mariners can expect strong wind to 40 knots, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. To report severe weather, post your information on the National Weather Service Northern Indiana Facebook page, or you can post on Twitter with the handle @NWSIWX.
Good evening, Alexi. Thanks so much for watching this.
A flash flood warning remains in effect until 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time, or 2:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northern Marshall, LaPorte, St. Joseph, and northern Stark counties.